Hey guys, today is the worst day of my life. I showed my mom one of my fave characters from Hell of a Boss on my phone, and I showed her Moxxie. I told her that Moxxie is me, and her face was all disgusted. She then said that I'm not the number one Moxxie.
You're Patrick.
She told me. Wow, thanks a lot, Mom. Now I'm in my room crying my eyes out. Now I'm even having a panic attack. Oh, if you couldn't tell, I'm a moxie fiction kid.
I hope you're happy with what you said, Mom. You better sleep with one eye open tonight. I'm gonna make you regret calling me Patrick. I am moxxie.
Leon, disconnected from the server.